Feels great, man. I've been really enjoying being here with Bianca Saunders. This is her first time at the Met. Obviously not my first, but we're having an amazing time so far. She dressed me, and we're honoring him.
Let's go, guys. ASAP. Together. Come back. ASAP.